Hey, it's morning, and I got my coffee, and I thought I'd just stream for a little bit this morning. So good morning. I don't know what the heck I'm doing right now. Uh, just want to get, a little bit of time on an app while I was hoping to be more awake, more cognitive, but I had some technical issues trying to figure this out. For some reason, my chat disappeared in my streaming app. I don't know why that is. Um, and then I accidentally bumped some cables, so the connections were loose. But it's mostly sorted out. I got the chat for let's fix this a little bit. There. I got the chat for TikTok going, but I don't see my chat for um Twitch right now, and I'm a little confused what happened because there used to be a little button to show that chat, and I don't know why they changed it. It's not popping out anymore. So I'll have to figure out what's going on with that, but that's fine. It's all good. I'll just have to be paying attention more, I suppose. It just seems kind of weird because I don't know where that chat window went to. It used to be like when it goes live, it would pop up a chat, but it's fine. Let me just see if I could just load it in another window. Oh, it's gonna load me. I don't want it to load me. Ah, well. Can I hit this button? I'm just trying to get some chats to go here. It is what it is. I'm about to just give up. Oh well, I'll figure it out in a day. I'm only on for a little bit, so let's get into it. Um, First off, let's try and open up the app we're working on. So down here we have. Ooh, why is that so tiny today? That is a very tiny looking window. So let's blow that up here. Blow it up. Boom. Make it nice and big for people to see at home. That's a very tiny window. Still kind of tiny, a little bit bigger. There, now people should be able to see it. Don't know why it was so tiny, but now it's nice and big for people to see. Alright, so let's go into our development folder here. Also, good morning, everybody. I'm only gonna be streaming for like an hour, then I gotta get the work to pay the bills after that. Okay, npm run Tauri dev. So we're gonna pop up our app, see where we're at. I'm gonna see if I can start doing like I just started waking up a little bit earlier, so I'm gonna see if I can do a little bit of morning streams. Uh, just to get back into the swing of things. I've been wanting to stream at the end of the day, but I just get so tired. It's been long. Work's been kind of hard, so uh, hopefully if I start doing it in the morning, we'll have more people hopping on, saying hello. Um, we'll see. Also, I got coffee. I got an espresso machine. This mix me some good espresso. So yeah, here's our app. I have a weird resolution on my monitor right now. Uh, it's twice as the resolution I used to stream by, so I'm kind of like, some of this is hard to see. So what our app does right now is you pick your project, you make rules for your project, right? And this feels just so dark. Why does it? Okay, pop that up a little brighter for myself. It's still dark on the stream, but oh well. Um, I am sleepy. I'm a sleepy guy. Oh my goodness. I just woke up. I don't know how people do this. Mornings are rough. Why is everything rough, guys? Everything's rough. Hold that thought. I'm out. Oh wait, I still gotta sip. Make me some more espresso. The espresso machine is going. We should get going. Let's do this. Hey, there's a guy named Slay. A fellow named Slay. Alright, so where we left off is we have these components, and we're trying to build out a component view. And I think if I hit this button, we're trying to build out this view here. I don't know why everything seems so tiny today. Ooh, that is not what we wanted. We wanted zoom in. Oh, that's what we wanted, but I guess it just didn't work. Zoom in. Yeah, it's a little better. Try to make it so it's easier for you guys to see. You guys. Okay. So we're trying to make this now serving window here. This bit here. So where I left off was I was making the side column. And you can see we kind of have oh, good news. Espresso's done. One sec. Okay. It's okay, guys. We got espresso. We'll get this going. I see we have a moon. Hello, moon. When you wake up. How do you guys wake up? I'm so tired. I'm gonna go back to bed. Okay, so let us continue. So where I left off was, if we go to our artboard view here, we have this flow graph, and the idea was we're probably gonna use flow graph to present the presentations that we want to use. But it's oh man, coffee, you need to work, buddy, you need to make me not so sleepy. Okay, I can do this. Ooh, and I got the sniffles. Maybe I'm getting sick. Oh, there's my karaoke song list. You guys don't need to see that. Why is the karaoke song listed? Quit. Okay. Where was I? So we're trying to change this particular view look like the other view. And step one was we want that to show, but then we also want this. So where I left off is I was trying to add this last column in there, and I got sidetracked by making everything else work. But that's fine, because now we're gonna make that column work. And the problem was we got this block. We have a column layout. Put on the block. So let's take a look at what we actually have. So the block contains this header, and you see in both these designs they look the same, right? Oh man, I am so tired. Okay. What we want, one mistake right now is you see how it's like just centered as a square there. We want this to be all the way across for one, but the other thing we need to do is underneath this block we want to put in the column, right? Because I think in our design, go back to the design here, I guess we don't even have that block there. Why is that? Okay, so that's good to know. I threw in something that's not in design. So let's think about this. Do we want, yeah, we want this block to be underneath that column header, I guess. So we'll go ahead and make that happen. So that's a lot of text to say, hey, we're going to stick another div in here is all I'm trying to come up with right now. So we'll stick a div here, and divs are just containers, like they're just wrappers, ultimately. Why am I so sniffly this morning? I don't know what's up with that. What's up with that? What's up with that? And I hope people can hear me this morning. I am really, I don't know. I thought it'd be fun to stream this morning for like an hour before work. We'll see where we end up here. Okay, so we added a div. So now what happens is if we look back at our app here, you see how now it goes all the way across, but then we lost our grid. So we gotta fix that. That's what we're fixing now. But before we do that, let's do go back to our workspace screen. I might not need to grab a tissue. Why do I need a tissue today? Is it? We are mapping. Okay. So I'm gonna just dump in a card. Oh, actually, we have. Yeah. Well, we'll just do it this way. We'll dump in a div of a card into our artboard view because that's what we kind of want. Because we wanted a container that had these two views in it. So this goes here. We close the card tag. Close our div. Tab this in. Load down a line. Now we'll just put something there. And I definitely need a tissue. Why do I? Okay, so we're gonna see what this does, and this should just not do anything right now. So what we could do is we're using we're using Tailwind. Wow, I'm tired. So we just gotta tell Tailwind, hey, we are flex, we are cool. Flex row, I think. Maybe that. We'll take a look, see if this even does anything. Ooh, it broke everything. We broke everything. What's our errors here? So let's pop up the error window. Make it nice and big. Ours says cannot find variable card. So I screwed up there. That's a me. What we need to do is up here. I guess we're not using. Are we not using an eraser icon right now? Yeah, we'll get rid of this because we're not using that icon now. But you see we have these different pieces here. We have block. What I should have done is go import card. But let's go back to workspace screen because I want to see how that's imported. Card from card. So we'll just do that. Card from card. We'll put it under block. Whatever, we'll just type it. Okay, so now we have that, so we could close this window here. Click on that. My rule. There we go. So you see we do have now at least something on the screen here, but we lost our other window. So we gotta figure out where that went to, so we'll do that next. But first I'm gonna find me a tissue. So where's tissue? Good news, I found the tissues. Right off screen. You get to see me blow my nose. Very entertaining. Okay, so we could see the sidebar there. But we lost our row here. Right? So I'm just gonna do border 1, border red. That may actually show something. Let's find out. Yeah, so I think that's our thing right there. That little box. So now I think we're gonna load up ye old Tailwind documentation. Documentation. Docs. Doop doop doo, looking up information cause I can't memorize for crap. There's 4.0 of Tailwind? No, I'm still learning 3.0. Why you gotta do this to me, Tailwind? Why you gotta do this? So we're gonna just do search for border color. Okay, so you can just say border. That's what I thought. Border red should have done something. What did I type? Border red. We'll do border 3. I want to confirm that little. Yes, I don't know what that is right there. We could try and find out. Should we try and find out? Doop doop doo. Elementos. This little dude, what is that little guy? Yeah, so that is the box that we want, right? Is that showing up red? So it's a big fat liar, even though we put in border 3, border red. So let's go back to the Tailwind documentation. Border style. Okay, we'll put in border solid, see if that does it. I am just trying to make, I'm doing the old school, this is the old. This is like if you've been doing websites for over 20 years, the old school method of trying to figure out where your boxes are is put a red border to them. Like this is because I'm so fucking, ooh, I can't say that. So damn old. That I'm just going back to the old ways of just trying to just put red boxes around your elements to see if they could pop up. Okay, so we see how it says like border solid, border 3, border red. We should be seeing something here, but we don't. I'm gonna just toss on. You see we have min width here. I'm just gonna toss on a min width, just to see if we get something to show. Because that's all we're trying to do right now is just get something to show. Okay, so it gave us space here, but we're not seeing our border, which is really annoying. And I blame Tailwind. Tailwind's just kind of annoying. So it should see how we have just, if we use the word border, it should just show a border. And I put border 3. They're using even, so we may just put let's just do border 2. So I'm annoyed that my box isn't showing a border right now. It should be showing a solid red border. We'll get rid of border solid. We'll just do border. And it no do that, and it made me sad that it no do that. It's doing a white border now. I don't know why it doesn't want to respect the color red. That's just kind of lame. We'll do, you know what we're gonna do? We'll do border red, 500. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, it wanted a number there, even though in the documentation you can clearly see when we looked at the colors, you could do black and white, so you can't do red. You have to actually specify a number with red, which is dumb. I do rose 500, whatever. Stupid freaking. I hate this stuff so much sometimes. Back in my day, you could just type in the word red and it would show red. But now you gotta specify a weight to your redness. It can't just be red. Um, and if you're trying to talk to me on the Twitchies, let's see if I could just get. I want to just see if I get my chat to just pop out. I'm having some technical difficulties getting things to just. Can I go to chat? I go channel. Yeah, I don't know why it's giving me issues with the chat. I do see I have my one viewer, so welcome one viewer. What's this button do? Share, more options, stream, chat. Well, okay, so I have. It'll pause me on here. I got a window open for the chat, but it's like the web view, so I have to switch between um two different windows to see. So I apologize if I miss a chat. Anywho, so we're working on the tailwinds here. The goal right now is to make. Well, we'll see where our goal is because it's already 8. I got like 20 more minutes, and then I gotta do my real job, and not my pretend job here. So the goal right now is we're trying to get this to pop up with a little column on the side. Right now we're having the most darndest time here. So what we could also do now is we do min height. Let's try full. The other thing is, since we're doing flex, we could probably put some flex properties in there as well. These are my. Wow, I am sleepy. Okay, we want to look at this actually. Does it show our min height full? Still not popping up our thing. So what we're going to do then is back in the tailwinds. We're going to look at the flex properties. Because I think it's a flex issue. So we're just put in grow. We'll put in grow. See if grow magically fixes everything. Grow. This is just gonna be me playing. Okay, so it did. At least we got the width there, but we still don't got the height. So we gotta figure out why our height's not showing up. So I think we can close this guy now, because now we can see our thing. So that's our next step: is why no height? And I'm just gonna put here min height full. Because at least I would expect this to take as much space as our column here, but we're not seeing that. Min height fit maybe? No. Let's go back to the workspace screen. See if there's any magical arcana here with our. So we got flex, item self, justify center, border none, outline none. Yeah, flex full, min width full, justify type, max height 40. That's for these are tabs. Stage, grow, min height fit, max height full. We would toss this in. But I think this may be going. well, we're just gonna toss it in. We're tossing everything in. All the archon here. So we already have min height fit. So that didn't work. Right, because we have. Here's our react. We can get rid of this min width. We'll also add a row here as well. Still nothing. So we're trying to get this box to go wide. Is what we're trying to do. Hey, we got a snickerdoodle. Hi, snickerdoodle. Instead of just being a red line here, so we could. Let's just see. Min height. Just put a value in for now. 400. Okay, so our min height's not even getting respected. Which is not good. So we'll toss that elsewhere as well, because I think we may need it right here. Because what I'm expecting is like a box that goes down now. Because what we're trying to see is this inside this red line. Because that should be a box, but we're not seeing that. Min height. See right here, we put in 400, so that should have done something. Oh, we need PX. PX. There we go. But see, we're missing the well, we got. This is curious, right? Because you can see here's the UI from inside that element, because that's the UI that comes with this, right? But we're missing our box. But we're making some progress here. Also, hello, Canned. I want to make it so on Twitch it would pop up the names as people join, but I'm still, still doing stuff. What are we doing on time, though? I don't have... Okay, it says we've been streaming for 30 minutes. Oh, well. Yeah, I got 10 more minutes and then I gotta run. But I'm just happy that we made a little bit of progress here. So min height full should fill up. See, it's not filling up. It's driving me nuts. It's not doing that. We could also do flex call. Right? Because oh, so we have flex row there. I think what we need is, if we go back to Tailwind, because it may not be, do we just need the word grow? We may just need the word grow, huh? Do we have grow in this guy? Yeah, we have grow. Oh yeah, let's just look up flex fill column. This says, what is the magic? This just says flex grow. I don't think this is what I want. Let's do it. Poor Reddit says, make column flex, connected flex direction, column and flex grow one. Yeah, that's what we're doing. But I think we're doing row. I hate flex. I don't know why I did flex. I think we need a flex basis. Let's try flex basis then. So, ooh, look what we did. What the heck did we do? I don't realize we did that. Flex row. Why is it? There we are. What do we got going on? Okay, that's what we had before. See, this min height full. That should, and then we got height full. I keep expecting that to just fill up the whole page. But it's not. It's driving me nuts. So the other thing we could try is min height. I was trying to see if we get this. So I gotta see how. Well, I guess we're not making these columns go all the way down. Let's go. I think we need to look at. Why is my spell checker open? I think we need to look at. We got all these components, right? Side menu bar. With height screen, min height screen. So we don't want the height of the screen. So that's how we're doing it there. See this? We want it to just fill up. And it's not doing what we want here. Let's do fit. Min height fit. So what I'm hoping for is that if I can make this column go the full height, it's still not doing it. This is frustrating. There's a lot of little frustrating things. The other thing is you see like it's not filling up this black area completely. So I gotta figure that out too. Like, why is it not doing that? This sidebar is doing all the nice stuff. It's doing what we want. The rest of it's not doing what we want. So we gotta figure all this stuff out. But we only got, again, I can only stream for like 11 more minutes, and then I gotta jump and do other things. But this is just me trying to figure out Tailwind. Usually, I used to just type my own CSS, so trying to get this just to work with classes is driving me nuts. Okay, so here's our box. Hi Carter. Let's see here. So the problem is we're trying to get the box to go high. And our flex is doing some dumb stuff here. So right now we have it being rows. We could just change this to columns. It might be easier. What do we got going on? So now it's saying it's one column, but we want it to be 2 items in a row. Also, like, even when it's a column, we're not getting the data there anymore, which is kind of weird. What did I just do? We're doing artboard view. So I think we want it as a row. And I don't know why the min height full is working. Because if we do that, it's going to drop it down to that, right? Yeah. Let's just try screen, see what happens. Just to see if it does. Yeah, so it's... See how it's like off the screen now, but it's not moving the size of our box, which is weird. I hit something. What did I hit? So I think we're gonna do. We'll get rid of that one. I just want to see here, right? Screen. Yeah, so this is, it'll stretch to fit when we set it to the screen, but it won't stretch to fit. Let's see if we do fit here. No, See, it's not. I think that's to fit the content. That's still not. I believe there's like. Because I could have sworn there was like a property you could pass into flex to just say fill up. Is it wrap? Maybe it's wrap. Can I just say wrap? Because I thought grow would fit the whole space up. I'm not saying it. I keep randomly clicking on stuff. It's not wrap. Alright, I guess we're gonna dive more into the documentation here. I don't like. Okay, so it's not grow. Is it shrink? We'll shrink it. Because I think it's annoying because I think maybe it's align item start. I think it's item stretch is what we're looking for. That might be it. What we're looking for this whole time is item stretch. It's just annoying because it's not with the flux box stuff. Put it there, see if it does it. Nope. Why do I keep clicking that? We get rid of flex start. Stretch. Nope. Come on, why won't this work with me? Just work with me. Let's look at documentation again. Oh, because yeah, the item stretch seems to be what we want. So flex item stretch. Flex item stretch. So where do we type in flex? Right here. Flex item stretch. I'll get rid of grow here. I'm just gonna get rid of. I'll get rid of all those. See what happens now. Nope. Right. Let's just double check. Why are we not stretching? So the other thing we may do is we have a border here. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna toss a border on the other one just so I can see what's going on here. $3,000. Okay, so we could see in the green we have the right size for a box. We just need these stupid columns to stretch, and they don't want to stretch, which is frustrating. Very, very frustrating. So we say item stretch. Maybe I have to get rid of grow here. I'm also gonna get rid of flex start. Okay, so now it's super shrinky. Item stretch shows items fit the container's cross-axis. Flex item stretch. Item start to align to start the container's cross-axis. Item center. Items end. Baseline. Right? Because this looks like item stretch. I'm going to type back and grow here. Yeah, so this is, I think we need grow for sure. This is pretty much the layout we want. We just want to stretch the freaking. We want it to go down. I want to go down. Because we say min height full. I think what it might need, I think what the issue is that let's just do this. Is I think because that particular component has this relative on there and it's necessary for um the React flow, I'm gonna actually just put, ooh, I didn't mean to do that. And put another div in there, and we're just gonna try and position this div of that, and we're gonna get rid of. I'm gonna say this is gonna be blue now, and we're gonna get rid of all this. Get rid of relative here. So right now I'm just saying screw this React flow stuff. I just want to see the component, the box be correct. So you can see right now it's not filling up. So we still have, but you can see there's a blue box inside the red box. And right now we're just like, let's just get this red box to show. I want to get rid of overflow auto. I don't care about overflow auto at the moment. So we got border min height full is not doing it. We're gonna toss grow in here. What do we got going on? Nope. Why can't I make my stupid flex box stretch to fit? Because we got item stretch right here. So in my mind, that should freaking stretch, because we can see the green box is filling up the whole thing. So we're gonna get rid of min height full. Height full. Get rid of grow. What do we got? There we go. Look, that's what it was. It needed a nested container. So we did it. It was just stupid. I had a feeling it was just some dumb nested bullshit. But fine. Okay, so we can get rid of all this nonsense now. We're good. We're good now. So the other thing we want to do then is... Oh, look, I have a typo here. Let's get rid of this guy here. Min height fit. Is that going to stretch it? So the next thing is we want to stretch this guy, but let's get rid of some of these borders. That's what I should have done. I should have just put a nested div in there to begin with. Solve it all at once. So let's get rid of blue. We don't need this guy no more. And technically we don't need this guy either at the moment. So we'll get that. No more borders. No more borders, guys. No more borders. We live in a world without borders. Alright. So now there's still a border in there somewhere. So let's take a look. Where did I leave a border tag in there? Somewhere I left border right there. I wonder if I even need grow in there. I wonder if I need anything in there. Okay, so this is what we wanted. This is what we wanted all along. So the next step is we want to make this column go all the way down. And I am technically out of time, so we're going to try one Hail Mary here, and then I'm going to have to call it and get to my real job. Okay, so our Hail Mary is... Because we tried min height fit here, so we'll try min height full. Min height full. Nope, didn't do it. Other option is we cast in the word grow here. It's also, I may need it on the card. Oh, look, so we definitely want to put grow. Artboard view. I think I'm going to leave this for now. We made some progress. We got the layout a lot closer than what we were expecting. So next steps will be I'll get this column out of the way. I'll make this go all the way down, and then we'll start redesigning this, because this layout, although we're going to be using the same tool, we're not going to be putting nodes in here. We're actually going to be putting different elements to lay out our design. Because what's going to happen is we're not going to be able to scroll like this. It's going to be fixed and then the idea is that it's a grid to just dump different components to, and I'll have uh, basically you're gonna set like, is this, you know, the aspect ratio, and it's just gonna span on the aspect ratio. Um, so that's gonna be the last bit. We're not gonna be actually worried too much about the aspect ratio when we start on this, and it's gonna be interesting because it's probably gonna be well, it'll be some interesting stuff. So we're just gonna commit this work for now. Doo-ba-doo. We're gonna check to see what files we screwed around with. Artboard view. Yeah, I don't think I wanna. I have some changes to workspace. We're not gonna save these. Don't save. We want to do that. I don't think we want to save whatever we changed to this file either. So I think we just want to save artboard view. We're gonna run our app one more time, make sure I didn't just screw everything up. And then we'll save and that'll be it. Oops, it's a text queue. Yeah, I don't know if you dropped off yet, but I hope you have a good day too. I'm having issues reading the chat. My they updated the app that I'm using. It doesn't seem to be rendering the chats just well yet. But yeah, hopefully you come back sometime. So let's see here. Okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure this view's still here. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Get status. But yeah, now I gotta commit this work and then start my other job, which I cannot stream because NDAs. Why is it still saying these files are modified? Okay. Okay. No. Trying to remember, there was a command. I don't know what it is. This says these files are modified. I don't like that these say they're modified, but oh well, I'll just commit it. Seems to be working still. It may just be the fact that we had to play book view. Okay, so I just pushed my work to... When will I stream again? That's a good question. So I usually stream Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Sundays. So today is Wednesday, so I'll probably stream again on Sunday. I may stream a bit on Friday because it's a holiday for me. Um, and normally I stream in the afternoons, but I'm gonna try to stream in the mornings because by the afternoon I've been my job has been keeping me busy, so by the afternoon I've been running out of energy, and I tend to have better energy in the morning. So I'll probably try and stream next time, probably Friday morning. But we'll see how it goes because Thanksgiving's gonna be like I cook Thanksgiving meals for my family, and I tend to that takes a lot of energy for me. So I may be super tired on Friday, so we'll see. So maybe Sunday, maybe Friday, but probably like Friday morning would be the next chance. And then Sundays I usually stream from like 11 Pacific to about 1 or 2 in the afternoon until I get hungry. So that'll be the next time I stream. Thanks for checking me out. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna get on with my business and do business. And I hope to see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.